Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Boxing Beta account with a mostly complete profile. Immediately verify your email and link any social handles you control because the system checks cross-platform signals. Once done, upload a clear avatar and a simple banner, then write a concise bio of 50 to 100 characters. Make sure to collect proof files, screenshots of followers, platform ID, and any prior verification badges, so you can attach them in the application step that follows. Next, open the verification section in Boxing Beta settings and begin the application. Carefully type your display name exactly as on linked platforms, then select a clear verification reason, public figure, creator, or brand. Attach the proof files you prepared and include at least 2 corroborating social links. Once you submit, the system queues reviews. Submit during low-traffic hours to reduce delay and copy the request ID. If you receive an automated rejection, the ID helps support escalate. Finish by monitoring both your email and the in-app verification status for the decision. Once approved, confirm the checkmark appears on profile and clear cached app data if it doesn't update immediately. If your request is denied, read the rejection reason, improve weak proofs, more followers, clearer crosslinks, or press mentions, then reapply with strengthened evidence. If things still go wrong, contact Boxing Beta support with your request ID and a concise evidence summary, so a human reviewer can reevaluate and advise the exact missing item.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.